Hello everyone! I want to show you Mountain Brook Cabin up in Maine with the Maine Appalachian Mountain Club. This is where myself, Brader, and a couple other staff live this winter. And in the summer, this is a rentable space. Ooh, it's so beautiful up here. So there is propane stove, just gorgeous, with our kitchen. Oh, there's my ride in the winter. So in the summer, guests can just drive up here and just normal vehicles, fridge and freezer, just a little woodsy wonderland out the window, propane heat if needed, propane lights, cozy wood stove, just beautiful kitchen board there in the middle. This is where we would relax in front of this fire on our days off this winter. There is downstairs bedroom here with another dresser behind the door. There is a full bathroom, flush toilet, normal shower, and there's actually a washer and dryer upstairs. Ooh. 2 more bedrooms. So again, another bath and shower. Great hangout space here with a futon. 2 bedrooms. Just like a linen closet there, but we got 2 bedrooms in here. Another gorgeous bedroom. Just to look out, you can see the lake. It's hard to see it in the video, but you can see the lake a little bit through the trees there. So for those looking to be self-sufficient or just would love to drive up here as a family or a group, or this is a awesome place to get away up in the Maine woods. And we'll just take a quick walk down and check out the water. Okay, so about 30 seconds that way. It's hard to see it in the video, but you can see the house up there. That's where the cabin is. And then there's also this small cabin down here. There is an outhouse too. Ooh, kayak. And you just got Mountain Brook Pond right in front of you. Like, what a gorgeous setting. If you want to feel like you've got one great big backyard up in Maine, come check out this place. And it also has this little cute cabin down here. Let's go take a look. Okay. Then also on this property, oof, is this cute place too. So you can use it as a hangout spot. You could sleep. Got this amazing, incredible stove. You get another little fridge down here. Cozy fire. And then right out your door is this view. So if you want to come stay in Maine in a secluded, remote, beautiful, comfortable getaway, check out Mountain Brook Cabin with the Maine AMC. Thanks so much for watching.